Okay, here's a quick video to show you how to edit the alt tags on pictures. What alt tags do is they tell the reader what the picture is. So if it's something confusing or it's blank, obviously it's not going to give any good information at all. Here's an example.
Image, parent resources.
In the adult section, this image doesn't have an alt tag on it, so the reader can't read it. So what we do, it's pretty simple. You click this little edit, or this little pencil icon right here. You'll see it pulls up the picture over here, and then we click the picture. That activates the media library. Here's our picture, and then this box right here where it says alt tag is where we place our text. So we'll just put adult services. We click insert media and then update. Now we should be good. We'll test it on the home page. Hang on one second. Okay, so I opened this in another window so we can show you how it's going to work now.
Image, adult services.
So now it says adult services. So that's the process for each picture that needs to have the alt tag changed. Obviously, here at Solid, we're not sure exactly what you want each one of these images to say. So I hope this is helpful. If you would like us to do this for you, we'll need a pretty extensive list that shows exactly where the pictures are. So it might be easier for you to edit that. But of course, we're more than willing to help. Just let us know what works best. Thanks.